How to write great ChatGPT prompts. The golden formula: task plus context plus style plus output format. For example, write a 150-word blog post. Task for a family run cafe in Milton, Keynes. Context in a friendly, conversational tone. Style as a bulleted list. Output format. Be clear and specific. Say what you want, who it's for, and how it should sound. Bad prompt example: write something about marketing. Good prompt example: write a short blog for a garden room company explaining 3 benefits of energy efficient design in plain English. Give ChatGPT a role. Us assigning a role instantly improves the reply. Act as a customer asking about prices. Pretend you're a marketing consultant advising a cafe. Build in steps. Break big tasks into stages. Step 1: make me an outline for a social media strategy. Step 2: expand section 2 with practical examples. Refine through iteration. Don't stop at the first draft. Push it further. Make it shorter. Add urgency. Rewrite on a friendlier tone. Add context and examples. The more detail you give, the better the result. Write a customer email for a Milton Keynes roofing company replying to a request for a quote. Keep it warm and reassuring. Experiment with style and tone. Tell ChatGPT how to write. Explain SEO like I'm 12. Write a product description in the style of John Lewis. Ask for structure. Save time by requesting tables, lists, or templates. Compare Facebook ads and Google ads in a pros and cons table. Top 5 mistakes to avoid. Write me something too vague. Make a business plan in one go, too broad. Forgetting the audience. Who's reading it? Asking for too much style at once. Be funny, formal, casual, and expert. Not refining. First draft is just a starting point.